my wonderful, amazing artist. It's me, Miss Abby. And I'm so excited because the art kits are finally here. Our supply kits are finally here. And I'm on the floor of the Elliott School to show you what's inside. Okay, so inside of our art kits, we have our bottle of Elmer's glue. We have scissors, a ruler, a cool pouch to hold all your pencils, some pencils. These are the classic kind with an eraser arrowhead. Those are so special. We have, let's see here, oil pastels, which are kind of like crayons, but a little juicier. We have our, let's see, we have glue sticks. We've got some markers of different color. What else do we have in this bag? We have a metal pencil sharpener and a nugget eraser. I like to keep all of those inside this bag. We also have some odds and ends paper goodies. We've got 3 paintbrushes, a big one, a skinny pointy one, a nice big one, a medium one, and then a nice pointy one for details. We've got some paper in here, nice thick paper. This is much thicker than the kind from a notebook. Then we have these very special colored pencils. Now they're not just ordinary colored pencils, they're watercolor pencils. Let me show you something cool. See that? See that? That is a paintbrush. These are watercolor pencils. So they're kind of like a hybrid. They combine watercolor and colored pencils together. And I'll show you all about how to use those in a different video. But yeah, these are really special. Oil pastels too. I'm so excited to share them with you. I think the first thing I'm gonna do with my box is decorate it and make it look really special. And of course I'll take you guys with me. And before I decorate it, I'm actually gonna show you some things that I'm gonna add because I am gonna use this to store art supplies that I use for class. So I want them all together. I'm gonna add, this is my recycling folder. It's got some cardboard in it, some newspaper, bits and pieces for collage. I'm gonna put that in there too, just to stay organized. And I'm gonna put my other markers and pencils in there. And I'm gonna put my art notebook in there too. That way I can keep this one separate from my writing notebook. I'm so excited that we're all getting these kits. The Elliott Schools worked really hard putting them together. And we're so excited that you guys are gonna be able to have very own supply kit. So you can have a little piece of the Elliott School, of the art room at your house. And that way you can really make whatever you want without the obstacles of needing to go to the store to get supplies. We're so excited that we can give it to you, and I can't wait to show you how to use some of these extra special supplies, especially some of these extra special supplies. It's going to be amazing. Bye. Have fun making art with your new kits.